Okay, I'll get back to real work now.
Okay.
Screwing around. Keep screwing around and get no work done. Of course, that's fun, so that's okay.
Yeah.
What'd you do with my cages?
Cages.
Yeah.
Probably in that bag or close to it.
Right here, cages.
Yeah, see, close to the bag.
Cages have bearings in them. See, they have bearings in them.
Yeah.
Well, these are probably standard bearings, just like these are standard. Let's go measure them, see what size they are. Well, these are modern bearings. They're half a thou undersize. We don't want those. Those suck.
That's terrible.
I don't know where they came from. If I didn't hold that race out, I could have used those. No. I went ahead and honed it out for standard bearings. Now this is brand new V-twin standard bearings from Taiwan. I cut that bag open and didn't really do a very good job of it.
It happens.
See, I cut it open. It's glued together right below it.
Yeah.
There. Now it's open. Now, do you think their standard bearings going to be standard or going to be undersized?
I'm going to go with undersized.
Yeah, it is. Of course, I honed it for a standard bearing.
Standard undersized or standard?
Standard.
Oh.
I think I did. So this is undersized. Way under. That's probably why those bearings were way undersized, because they were used standard like these ones. So when you put these in there, we're going to have an extra half a thou clearance, or 4/10. Which means it should be a little loose. Wonderful. That's why you always measure your junk bearings before you hone, because you never know what size these junk bearings are going to be. But I didn't think it was going to clean the standard anyway, that's why I didn't care about it. Yeah. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Standard. There should be some washers that go in there too. Washes. Yeah, one of those will work. A washer. Bearing. Case. This is hard to do. You hold the rod, you tilt it, you insert case. Spread rod. Slide off. Assembled.
Assembled.
Didn't have to lift the flywheel at all. Oh, look at that.
It's loose.
It's got clearance in it.
Is that what we're calling it? Clearance?
Got clearance.
Alright.
It's got clearance. Racing clearance. She's got lots of clearance. Lots and lots and lots of clearance. Yep. Like we got one of that with more. 2/10 silver bearings in it. But those 2/10 silver bearings might fit right now. They probably will. But not those standard Taiwan teddy bearings. They don't fit. Oh. S&S crank. Not a Harley. Different tool. Keep forgetting it's a stroker motor. Not a Harley motor. Different dowel pin offset.
Look at you.
Now I got these junk V-twin rollers that are opened.
Yeah, maybe you can use them on mine.
Nope.
No, okay.
You don't have a knucklehead.
Not yet. Someday. maybe.
I use these 210 silver bearings over here now. They're going to be a little tight, but they'll be long. We'll have to go hone it again. I'm not going down further. They're definitely tight.
Yeah.
For some reason I don't feel like it's dropping down all the way. There's some flywheel washers. Where's the big flywheel washers at? You think they'd be a set over here somewhere.
You would think.
Everything else is over here except the washers. Oh well. Oh, look at that time. Brand new washers.
Ooh.
I think that's the one right there.
We'll see.
See how it rubs right on the case. Oh, right here.
Ooh.
Don't bang your case into your stand over there. Hit right there, see? Nicked it. Don't show that to the customer.
Okay.
We'll edit that out, right?
I'm sure we will.
It was really loose for some reason.
Just testing me.
Tested me. No, I didn't put that nick in there. I put this one in there. Let me take care of that one too while we're at it. There you go, all gone. Good as new.
Good as new.
Not much clearance this way. We got clearance this way. I got.